Are you looking for the best air fryers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Kasori TurboBlaze Air Fryer. Kasori TurboBlaze Air Fryer Review, big value in a compact package. Kasori continues to impress with its budget-friendly air fryers, and the latest TurboBlaze model proves the brand's commitment to innovation and performance. Following in the footsteps of the popular Pro LE and Pro 2, the TurboBlaze offers a larger capacity, more power, and additional features, all at an equally wallet-friendly price point. Design and features. The TurboBlaze boasts a 6-quart capacity, matching the Instant Vortex's size but in a more compact, space-saving design, perfect for smaller kitchens. It also steps up its versatility with 9 cooking functions, including specialized modes for frozen foods, a keep warm function, and a proof setting ideal for baking enthusiasts working on sourdough bread or pizza dough. Cleaning is a breeze with this model. The basket and crisper plate are both dishwasher safe, eliminating the need for tedious scrubbing. Performance. In testing, the TurboBlaze delivered accurate cooking results across various recipes, holding its own against pricier competitors. Frozen foods, roasted veggies, and baked goods came out consistently well. However, it did face minor challenges with achieving the perfect crispness on certain dishes. For example, while salmon was cooked to ideal doneness, its skin lacked the crispy, brown texture some other air fryers excel at producing in the same time frame. Specifications. Dimensions: 11.8 by 11.8 by 11.9 inches. Capacity: 6 quarts. Power: 1725 watts. Functions: air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, frozen, reheat, keep warm, proof. Pros. Compact design with generous capacity. Wide range of cooking functions. Dishwasher-safe components for easy cleaning. Affordable price. Cons. Struggles with achieving a perfect crunch on certain ingredients. May require additional time for some recipes. Verdict. The Kasori TurboBlaze is an outstanding value for its price, offering versatility, ease of use, and solid cooking performance in a compact package. While it might not deliver the ultimate crispness on every dish, its overall performance and thoughtful features make it a strong contender for budget-conscious cooks. Number 2. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Review, versatility meets performance. The Breville Smart Oven is a game-changer in the world of kitchen appliances, combining the functionality of a toaster oven and an air fryer into a single powerhouse machine. Scoring top marks in testing, this 2-in-1 device excels in everything from air-frying buffalo wings to toasting bread, baking pizzas, and even roasting whole chickens. If you're looking for the ultimate all-in-one appliance, this might be it, though it comes at a premium price. Design and features. With its sleek design and generous 23.9-quart capacity, the Breville Smart Oven can handle large meals with ease. The clear viewing window is a standout feature, allowing you to monitor cooking progress without opening the door. Its Element IQ heating technology ensures even cooking by automatically adjusting heat distribution to eliminate hot and cold spots, delivering consistent results across its 13 cooking functions. Whether you're air-frying crispy French fries, baking a 13-inch pizza, slow-cooking hearty stews, or toasting 6 slices of bread, the Smart Oven has the versatility to handle it all. Performance. Performance is where the Breville Smart Oven shines. In testing, it delivered juicy pork tenderloin, well-toasted bread, and, mostly, crispy skinned salmon during air-frying sessions. Beyond air frying, it has been a reliable performer in baking, roasting, and other functions, making it an ideal multi-purpose tool for a busy kitchen. Trade-offs. However, the Breville Smart Oven isn't without its drawbacks. At a price double or even triple that of some standalone air fryers, it's a significant investment. Additionally, its large footprint may not suit small kitchens, but this size is necessary to accommodate its impressive capacity. Specifications. Dimensions, 18.9 by 15.9 by 10.9 inches. Capacity, 23.9 quarts. Power, 1,800 watts. Functions, toast, bagel, broil, bake, roast, warm, pizza, air fry, reheat, cookies, slow cook. Pros. Exceptional versatility with 13 cooking functions. Large capacity for families or entertaining. Clear viewing window for monitoring cooking progress. Even heat distribution with Element IQ technology. Cons. High price point compared to standalone air fryers. Large size may not fit compact kitchens. Verdict. The Breville Smart Oven is a top-tier kitchen appliance that justifies its premium price with unparalleled versatility and performance. While the cost and size may be deal breakers for some, it's an excellent investment for those looking to replace multiple kitchen gadgets with one reliable and powerful machine. Number 3. Ninja 4-Quart Air Fryer. This Ninja is not only our favorite small air fryer but also performed better in testing than much larger, much more expensive competitors. The 4-quart workhorse delivered near-perfect cooking results on garlic, wings, shrimp, biscuits, and of course, fries. It's perfectly non-stick for cleanup, quiet while running, and, thanks to the compact footprint, it's easy to store. Though the settings are simpler than some advanced models, it does the trick for every classic air fryer function. It's a smart pick for solo cooks and apartment dwellers, whether they're beginners or advanced. There are smaller air fryers out there than this one. We've tried ones that hold just 2 quarts, but at the end of the day, they don't save much counter space over this one. Dimensions, 8.5 by 12.3 by 11 inches, capacity, 4 quarts, power, 1,550 watts, functions, air fry, roast, reheat, dehydrate. Number 4. Ninja DZ071 Foodi FlexBasket Air Fryer. With a dual-zone air fryer, you can make your tater tots on one side and your salmon on the other, cooking each one for the right time and at the right temperature to deliver a perfectly cooked meal, all at once. Ninja has sold dual-zone models for a few years, but this one has the advance that you can use its baskets separately or combine them into one 7-quart beast. Our tests found this Ninja worked well on chicken wings and hand-cut fries, our litmus test for all air fryers. It lacked somewhat in temperature control, however, both baskets varied from their set temperature by a wider margin than our other favorites. Once you get used to this and adjust your settings accordingly, it's user-friendly, large in capacity when it needs to be, and has the versatility that families both large and small will appreciate. Dimensions, 18 by 11 by 11 inches, total capacity, 7 quarts, power, 1,500 watts, presets, air fry, air broil, bake, roast, reheat, dehydrate. Number 5. Instant Pop Vortex Plus 10-Quart Air Fryer. The Instant Vortex 10-Quart Air Fryer combines size, functionality, and affordability, making it a strong contender for any kitchen. Designed for versatility, it produces excellent results across a variety of recipes, from crispy fries to juicy wings and even air-fried apples. Its user-friendly features, generous capacity, and thoughtful accessories make it an appealing choice for home cooks. Design and features. The Instant Vortex stands out with its 10-quart capacity, which is ideal for families or batch cooking. Its sleek design includes a clear, intuitive display that simplifies operation, even for air fryer beginners. While it lacks smart connectivity, the inclusion of preset cooking modes and accessories, like trays and a rotisserie insert, more than make up for it. The accessories are thoughtfully designed, all removable and dishwasher safe, which ensures easy cleanup after cooking. Performance. In testing, the Instant Vortex delivered consistent, high-quality results. Fries and wings came out perfectly crisp, while air-fried apples retained their natural sweetness with just the right amount of caramelization. The rotisserie function added another layer of versatility, producing evenly cooked and juicy results. Specifications. Dimensions, 13.23 by 13.23 by 14.3 inches. Capacity, 10 quarts. Power, 1500 watts. Functions, air fry, broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat, rotisserie. Pros. Large 10-quart capacity suitable for family meals. Versatile functions with included rotisserie and trays. Easy-to-use display and preset cooking modes. Dishwasher-safe accessories for hassle-free cleanup. Excellent price point for the features offered. Cons. No smart connectivity. Bulky design may not suit small countertops. Verdict. The Instant Vortex 10-quart air fryer is a fantastic kitchen tool that balances functionality, performance, and affordability. Its large capacity and included accessories make it versatile enough for a wide range of recipes, while its straightforward design ensures a user-friendly experience. For those seeking a reliable air fryer with plenty of features, the Instant Vortex offers tremendous value at a competitive price.